Well, it is December 29th. It is still archery season here in PA and flintlock season. However, got the old 20 gauge out today. We're going to go on top of this ridge here, do some scouting for next year, and figure while I'm at it, see if I can't see a squirrel or two. Stay with me. Got a little bit of a hike ahead of us. Touch base with you here in a little while. Hope you all having a great holiday season and still able to hunt. All right, folks. I made it to the top of the ridge here that we wanted to explore. Some sign on the way up, nothing overwhelming. We're hoping it picks up here once we move a little bit further in. Probably can't tell on the camera, but we're sort of in this big saddle. And it gets, as I get further this way, it's going to get denser and denser, higher stem count. So we're hoping the sign picks up a little bit once we get over there. It's a great day for a walk. I don't know if you guys can tell just how beautiful it is here. Pennsylvania. Late season. Small game season. We're having a blast out here today. If we get into anything gnarly or good, be sure to show you folks. Just wanted to take this time to explain, though, the importance of late season winter scouting. Just really opens everything up. You're just able to see a lot more design in the landscape, deer trails, deer beds. It's just a great opportunity to know what the deer are doing. Pick some spots that maybe you can hang some trail cameras, see how they're moving to and from food, to and from bed. If you don't do it, man, I just highly encourage you to take a walk. Grab a bottle of water, a backpack, what have you. Get out there and see what you can find. We're going to keep at it. So we got to kind of the edge of this saddle. I'm sure you can see it's starting to go back up. And we're going to kind of cruise along, but as I said, it's really thick over here where we kind of came from in the middle here. And I would say that's a pretty good sign. That's a pretty big buck rub. Obviously old, maybe this season, no later than last. So we're going to kind of keep working this edge, see where it takes us. It's what we came here for. So we're moving along and I'm seeing quite a few of these little ones, little rubs. Appears to be a decent amount of game trails through here. I'm going to keep moving a little bit and probably going to hang a trail camera. See what pops up. Well, this is why you scout. Someone's in this spot. Now, granted, season's just about over. Not sure if he'll be back next year. But it's something to keep in mind. I've marked it. And we're just going to keep cruising a little bit. See if we find something else. It's public land, baby. A lot of miles. Holy smokes, look. There are 2 bald eagles flying overhead right now. How cool is that? I don't know if you got to see that on the camera or not. And hopefully this is picking up something. That's really cool. I just want to say something quick about finding equipment on public land that's not yours. I've had stands and cameras taken. I've had tack lines ripped down. It's not cool, dude. We're all out here for the same purpose. Treat other people's things with respect. It shouldn't have to be locked. I always mark it on my maps just so I know where they're at. Doesn't mean I'm not allowed to hunt this area. It does mean that I have to be conscientious of other hunters, is all. And quite honestly, hopefully, if I do choose to hunt in and around here, I run into the man or woman that stand belongs to, and we can discuss how to stay out of each other's way and still have successful hunts. So if it's not yours, don't touch it. Be courteous, be mindful, be a good sportsman and outdoorsman. Just some deer poop, in case you wanted to see it. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's some deer scat right there. And if you look through all that, I mean, it's nothing but feeding sign, folks. I mean, all the leaves are kicked up. There's deer scat everywhere. There's some old acorns. I mean, you can just tell that the deer have been in here feeding, and somewhat recently too. So that's a really good sign. We're definitely going to keep this. We pinned this on our map. It's not far from where we just were up there. Keep in mind that big rub up there. And we are now on the south facing slope, so all good things, all good signs. And it's a nice bench across here. So things that you're looking for late season scouting, folks. Right on. So we kept walking here, and there's 1, 2, 3. There's 1 back over there on that knob. It's 4. We're gonna just keep you on here and show you on this kind of established trail. And I think we found a buck bedding area. I didn't find the bed. But there's another one. Another rub. That's a 5. So And as I stand here, I can see one down through the trees, 6. So definitely traveling, potentially bedding. It's good signs, what we're looking for here today. We have this all marked, and I think we'll be back in here summer, early fall, see what's going on.